Chile's volcano ash shuts down airspace over Australia and New Zealand. As Argentine and Uruguayan airports begin resuming airport operations after flights were suspended due to the June 4th eruption of Chile's Puyehue, air travel across the world became affected as strong winds carried the ash clouds 9,400 kilometers across the Pacific to Australia and New Zealand.
On Sunday, Australia's national carrier Qantas Airways cancelled all flights within and coming to Australia, while airlines Jetstar, Tiger, Virgin Australia and Pacific Blue similarly halted many or all flights to and from both countries. By Sunday afternoon, an estimated 30,000 travellers were left stranded at airports, with officials in both New Zealand and Australia saying that even without further volcanic eruptions, the ash cloud could take several days to clear.
Our appreciation for the officials' efforts to ensure the safety of all air travelers. May such far-reaching disturbances be eased through our greater care for fellow beings and the environment.